Alright guys, welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all doing well. And I know you guys are doing well because Bitcoin today has reached another new all-time high. Right? I feel like Bitcoin for the past week alone, just 1 week, okay, for the past few days, and this week alone has been crazy, right? Ever since we had the US election, Bitcoin's just been pumping, and not just Bitcoin, also altcoins, right? The entire crypto market is skyrocketing, guys. Okay, so it is safe to say that we are officially in the next cycle, the next bull cycle. Okay, and right, we're in a bull run, right? We know that, guys. Okay, we are in fact in a bull market, and honestly, alt season I think is here, right? We are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins skyrocketing. You know, Solana, for example, is about to reach back up to its previous highs, even about to reach a new all-time high for Solana. Dogecoin today is up over 20%, and we know Dogecoin for the past few days has been pumping, right? For the past week, Dogecoin is up 100%. Don't believe me? I will show you guys shortly. So altcoins are also skyrocketing, guys. Okay, it's not just Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is back, Ethereum is back, a lot of these altcoins are back. You know, alt season is, officially here, guys. Okay, it truly is. You know, this is the moment that we all in fact have been waiting for. So in today's stream, I want to talk about it, give you guys a little update what's gonna happen with Bitcoin, since Bitcoin right now is at a new all-time high of $89,000. Yes, okay, Bitcoin today did in fact reach a new high of 89K. Like I said, this week alone, Bitcoin has just been pumping ever since we had the US election, and Donald Trump did win this election and became president once again, right? The 47th president. Bitcoin has just been pumping, and as I told you guys, right, if Donald Trump did win this election, it will be very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto, especially Bitcoin. And that's why, guys, we have in fact been seeing Bitcoin pumping. And of course, throughout history, right? Usually after we have the US election, every single time we have a US election, right after it, what does Bitcoin do? What does the crypto market do? It pumps. In previous US, elections, right, back in 2016 and of course in 2020, what happened with Bitcoin? It pumped. And that is exactly what we are in fact seeing right now, guys, for Bitcoin and crypto, right? So let's talk about it. Okay, we have a fair few things to talk about for today's stream. I believe this is going to be a pretty long stream because there is in fact a fair few things I want to talk about. And as usual, there is some Bitcoin charts that I do want to show you guys and what we can expect for Bitcoin, right, in the next upcoming few weeks, and of course throughout next year in 2025, because we know, guys, that the year 2025 will be a fantastic year for Bitcoin and crypto overall, right? So let's talk about it. Bitcoin right now, okay, $88.2 thousand, looking absolutely amazing right now for Bitcoin. Okay, we are in fact in the 4-hour time frame, and you guys can clearly see, okay, this week alone has been crazy, right? Ever since we had the US election, Bitcoin pumped all the way up to $74,000, reaching a new high, and of course it went up even higher, $75,000. Okay, and then the next day, okay, it went from $76,000 to $77,000, guys, and that was a couple of days ago, literally a couple of days ago, not even a week. Okay, literally like 4 days ago. And then the next day, we saw Bitcoin, right, skyrocketing to 78 to 79 to $80,000. And just yesterday, okay, we saw Bitcoin reaching 83 to $84,000. Today, it's now at $88,000. And earlier today, it did actually spike up to 89K, right? Don't believe me? Okay, look at this, right? It went as high as $89.1 thousand. Okay, $89.1 thousand, guys. It's looking absolutely amazing right now for Bitcoin. Okay, it really is. So Bitcoin today did reach a new high of $89,000, and as I told you guys many times, that 100K Bitcoin is going to be the next target. But of course, we've got to start small, right? 90K, 92, 95, 98, and then eventually $100,000. And I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos, right, for the past few days, okay, few weeks, but I've been telling you guys for the longest time now that Personally, I do see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. Okay, before the year 2025, and that's still 100% still on track. If Bitcoin pumps this much, right, if it keeps up at this pace, okay, we will easily see Bitcoin at 100K and beyond towards the end of this year of 2024. I truly do believe, okay, Bitcoin is easily going to reach like 90K, 91, 92 by tonight. To be honest, it may sound crazy, but at this point, right, looking up Bitcoin, okay, it has pumped so much. Like just yesterday, guys, think about it. Just yesterday, we saw Bitcoin at $83,000 to $84,000. This morning, when I woke up, of course, what did I do? I checked the Bitcoin chart. As true Bitcoiners, that's what we usually do, right? You guys can relate, I'm pretty sure. I checked the chart and I saw Bitcoin at $88,000 to 89, right? So in a matter of 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours, we saw Bitcoin pump over $3,000. It went up, over 3K, which is insane, right? So just think about that. So if Bitcoin keeps up with this pace, okay, we will easily see Bitcoin at least at 100K, okay, towards the end of this year in 2024. And I truly do believe early December, right, next month, we're going to see Bitcoin at $100,000. Like, legit. Okay, so understand, guys, this is the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for. You guys probably got sick of me telling you guys that 100K Bitcoin is coming. It's going to be coming towards the end of this year in 2024. But hey, it's actually going to happen at this point. Just think about it, right? This is the moment that we all have been waiting for, a 100K Bitcoin, and it is coming, guys, right in front of us. And a lot of people think, Bitcoin reaching $150,000 to 180, they think this is going to be the top. No, it is not the top. As I told you guys many times, right? 200K, 250, 280, 300K and beyond is very, very possible. I believe those price targets are going to be the top. Now, see a lot of predictions, people saying 300K, right? 400K, 500K even, right? $500,000. A lot of people are in fact saying, these price predictions for Bitcoin, right, reaching 500K. Now, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I am 50-50 on that. I'm sticking with 200K to 300K, right? I'm trying to be like realistic with you guys. Okay, so understand this is just the beginning. Bitcoin reaching a new high of $89,000 today, right? This is just the beginning. Understand that, guys. We haven't seen anything yet, right? We still have the year 2025. Okay, and we know, guys, the year 2025 will be absolutely amazing for Bitcoin. So get ready for that. Yeah, but yeah, Bitcoin is looking pretty good. $88,200, looking like it wants to reach back up to $90,000. I say reach back up. We haven't even reached 90K yet, but we will soon. Okay, so it's looking absolutely amazing for Bitcoin. If we go to the weekly time frame, I told you guys many times, this is a key level to watch. Right, we know Bitcoin for the past 7 months was consolidating, and this would have been, honestly, this moment right here would have been the best moment for you guys to buy into Bitcoin and crypto, right? When altcoins weren't really moving, Bitcoin clearly was not moving for the past few months, like 7 months. This would have been a great time to simply DCA, okay? And you guys can clearly see, okay, we did see a breakout for Bitcoin, this resistance line. And I told you guys, once we see a breakout from this resistance line right over here, we're going to see Bitcoin shooting up to the upside. And what did Bitcoin do? We are obviously seeing a breakout, okay, and it's breaking up, okay? So I told you guys many, many times, once we see a very, very clear breakout from this resistance line, Bitcoin will shoot up to the upside. And that is, right, you guys just clearly see that is exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now. Now, of course, guys, along the way, we're going to see small corrections along the way. Okay, it's not always just going to shoot up. Okay, we know that. So expect small corrections. Okay, but understand from here on, Bitcoin is going to be reaching record highs. Like this a week alone, Bitcoin has been pumping like crazy, reaching new highs every single day for this past week. Okay, so it's been absolutely amazing, guys, to see for Bitcoin and crypto. This is very, very bullish, and this is just a huge, huge signal that the bull run is back, right? The bull run is clearly here. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin is still holding very, very strong today, looking absolutely amazing right? It's been pumping. Ethereum today, $3.3 thousand. Ethereum has been pumping as well, looking absolutely amazing to see for Ethereum, right? The king of alts. Look at Solana, right? Above $200, $221 right now. If we go to the weekly time frame, okay, you guys can clearly see Solana, okay, is about to reach back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new high very, very soon. I told you guys many times that a lot of these altcoins in the crypto market will reach back up to its previous highs and, of course, reach a new high. Not all these altcoins will do that, but majority of them will do that. And I told you guys, right, Solana was a clear example, okay? And we are now seeing Solana about to reach back up to its previous highs of 260 and, of course, reaching a new high, right? And we are already seeing a lot of altcoins skyrocketing. For example, Sui. Okay, Sui has been reaching new highs. It's coming up to, like, I believe $3, I believe. Oh, it's already hit $3. Look at that. Right, I remember like 3 weeks ago, this was at $2. Sui is now at $3, guys. Okay, and for the past week alone, Sui is up 71%. Okay, so a lot of these alts are pumping, guys. Okay, Cardano is, going to be one of these altcoins that will pump as well. Okay, trust me, I do see Chainlink, okay, reaching a new high, going back up to its previous highs of $52 and reaching a new high, right? Cardano looking pretty good too. It's spiking up, gaining back its momentum, right? Y'all can clearly see that. Look at Dogecoin though, right? Look at Doge, guys. Dogecoin, okay, it's pumping, okay, clearly 35 cents, looking amazing, okay. Dogecoin, like I told you guys, it's gonna most likely go back up to its previous highs and reach a high, and $1 Doge is coming. Okay, I'm telling you guys that right now, sometime next year, 2025, we're going to see a $1 Doge. Okay, that's what we all wanted to see in the last, bull cycle, right? Back in 2021, we wanted to see a $1 Doge. We didn't quite see it. Okay, but this bull run that we are in fact currently in right now, this bull cycle, I really do believe Dogecoin has huge, huge potential to reach at least $1. So get ready for that. Okay, and yeah, Bitcoin, right? You guys clearly see it's crazy. Like, look at this, guys. Right, just look at it. This is absolutely amazing to see, guys. We are officially in the next cycle, the next bull cycle, and Bitcoin is ready to reach $100,000, right? All the way up here. And you guys can clearly see it's not too far off. Okay, it really, really isn't. So the market today, okay, look at this, guys. Global crypto market cap, just below 3 trillion. It's been a very, very long time since we have seen the global crypto market cap at like 3 trillion, right? And it's just below 3 trillion. We're now sitting at 2.97 trillion. And overall today, the market's up 8%. Past 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 10%. Ethereum is up 4%. Solana is also up 4%. Same with BNB. Dogecoin today, 22%, guys. Look at that, 20%, right? 36 cents right now for Doge. And look at this, right? For the past week, Dogecoin is up over 100%, 124%. And for the past month, it's up over 200%. Dogecoin has been absolutely skyrocketing. And I think Dogecoin, yeah, look at this. I just realized Dogecoin has flipped the stablecoin, USDC. Dogecoin is now at number 6. Look at Solana. Okay, I already mentioned this before, but look at Solana, guys. Solana has flipped BNB. Okay, Solana is now number 4 and BNB is at number 5, right? Remember, guys, Dogecoin is a meme coin and it's the 6th largest market cap altcoin out there. Just think about that for a second. Dogecoin was created as a joke and now it's sitting at number 6. I remember seeing this at like number 9 or number 10 for Doge, and now it's at number 6. It's insane, right? It really, really is. Dogecoin is clearly, the king of meme coins. Okay, it really, really is. But yeah, a lot of greens throughout, altcoins today. You guys can clearly see past 24 hours, Avalanche is up, over 10%, 11% right now for Avalanche. Okay, and yeah, the list goes on. A lot of greens for the past 24 hours, guys. Okay, a lot of greens. So someone says here, what do you think about Casper? I like Casper. Okay, I do invest into Casper and I'm not trading Casper. I'm simply just buying Casper and just holding it for the long run, right? I'm not buying too much of Casper, but I am. Okay, I am buying a fair few Casper every now and then. Casper today is down 3%. Okay, but yeah, look at this. Casper's been pumping, right? For the past week, it's up over 40%. So I'm buying Casper. Yes, I like Casper. Okay, and that's why I am in fact investing into Casper for the long run, right? I'm not planning on, trading Casper or selling any of my Casper. I'm just simply buying and holding, right? That's pretty much what I do, guys. I'm a very, very simple person. Someone says here, do you see it going to 100K by the end of the month? Well, November, honestly, that can't happen. We are only 12 days into this month, guys. 12 days into this month, I truly do see Bitcoin reaching at least $100,000. That could actually happen, right? I would not be surprised if we actually see Bitcoin reaching 100K towards the end of this month of November. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised at this point, right? Bitcoin has been pumping, and if it keeps up and it pumps at this pace, yeah, we will easily see Bitcoin reaching at least 100K towards the end of this month. That is very, very possible. Very possible since you mentioned it. What a great question. But if it doesn't happen end of this month in November, then most likely will happen sometime in December, 100%. Okay, so either way, guys, Bitcoin is going to be reaching 100K towards the end of this year in 2024. Mark my words. Okay, I really do believe that is very, very possible. So get ready for a 100K Bitcoin. Okay, because it is about to happen. But yeah, look at this, guys. Bitcoin monthly returns. Okay, 24%. Bitcoin is up 24%. Okay, remember, guys, at the beginning of this month of November, it wasn't a great start, right? We were actually in the reds. Bitcoin was down like 3%, I believe. And now look at it, right? We are almost 2 weeks into this month, and Bitcoin is up 24%. It's in the greens. Moon November is here. It's still on track, right? So this is absolutely amazing to see, guys. Okay, it really, really is. And I don't know if you guys remember, but a few videos back, okay, I uploaded a video talking about this, and I believe this was up like 16 to 17%. And I told you guys very soon it's going to be over 20%. And here we are, a few days later, it's up 24%, almost 25%. So that is, amazing to see, guys. Okay, so this is to be expected, right? September, October, especially in Q4, right? We should be seeing October, November, and December perform very, very well. Okay, so understand these next upcoming few weeks will be amazing for Bitcoin. So get ready for that. But guys, look at this. Okay, Trump trade returns for second week as Bitcoin Tesla stocks surge. Okay, so we know Bitcoin, is pumping mainly because of Donald Trump becoming president. Okay, and I told you guys, once Donald Trump becomes president, this is obviously going to be very, very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto overall, right? Because we know how bullish Trump is on Bitcoin, right? He actually attended at the Bitcoin conference, right, in Nashville back in July. So a couple months back, he actually attended at this conference, right, this Bitcoin conference. He went on stage and said some very, very bullish things about Bitcoin, right? Very bullish things that no one pretty much expected him to say, but he did. Okay, so we know, Trump is a fan of Bitcoin. Okay, he is into Bitcoin. He is Bitcoin friendly, right? And he's actually the first ever president to use Bitcoin transactions, right? He went to, I believe, New York. He went to some random restaurant, and he paid, right, with Bitcoin. He went in this restaurant. He bought food and drinks for everyone in that restaurant. And what did he use? He used Bitcoin. So Donald Trump is actually the first ever president to use Bitcoin for payments, right? Trump is making history right now with Bitcoin. Okay, he really, really is, guys. Now, as I told you guys many times, right, this is going to be bullish for Bitcoin. And clearly, for the past few days, Bitcoin has been skyrocketing to a new high, record highs. Okay, but yeah, Tesla, right? Tesla is also pumping, guys. Like, look at this, right? The Tesla stock, y'all can clearly see, it is up almost 30% today. Oh no, sorry, 9% today, right? Tesla has been pumping today, looking absolutely amazing. And yeah, y'all can clearly see, for for the past year, it is up a fair bit. $350. I believe it's high. This was not its high. $407. So it's not too far off. Right, and of course that was in 5th of November in 2021 when we were in a bull market. All right, that's when we were obviously in a crypto bull market. Stocks were pumping, right? And it seems like Tesla is going to reach a new high very, very shortly. So I would not be surprised if we see a new high for Tesla very, very soon. So it's looking amazing today for Tesla. Okay, it really, really is. Now, Bitcoin, okay, what's going to happen with Bitcoin? How much higher will Bitcoin go? Okay, like I said, guys, for the past few days, Bitcoin has been skyrocketing, okay, reaching record highs. It went from $74,000, and that's pretty much where it started, right? It reached 74K, 75, 76, 77, and then it skyrocketed to like 80K, right? 79 to 80, 81, 83. Just yesterday, we saw Bitcoin, okay, at around 83 to 84, and now today it's at $89,000, right? So this week has been insane. And a lot of people are probably wondering, how much will Bitcoin go? Well, I don't know if you guys have ever experienced a bull run, okay, but this is my second time, okay, I'm experiencing a bull run, and I can tell you guys this much, that Bitcoin's going to go much higher. As I told you guys, okay, Bitcoin reaching, 150, 180, that's not going to be the top. Those targets are going to easily happen. 200K, 250, 280 is for sure going to happen. Even $300,000 and beyond is for sure going to happen. So understand, guys, next year, throughout next year, 2025, will be a fantastic time for Bitcoin. Just like back in 2021, 2017, even all the way back in 2013. Those years were fantastic because we were obviously in a bull market. Same thing's going to happen for the year 2025. So understand, guys, the year 2025, that's when we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 200K, 300K, even higher, potentially even 400K. We'll see about that, right? But that is the moment where Bitcoin will be reaching these new highs. Okay, so get ready for that, guys. Okay, get ready for the year 2025 because it's going to be insane. Okay, it's going to be crazy, and a lot of new Bitcoin millionaires will be made, of course, even billionaires. Right, so that is that. But yes, guys, retail interest, okay, a lot of people didn't want to buy Bitcoin when it was low, 2 years ago. Okay, like I said, guys, right, 2 years ago, literally 2 years ago, November 2022. That's when Bitcoin reached the bottom of 16K. Actually went lower than that. Actually went as low as $15.7 thousand, I believe, right? And a lot of people didn't buy. Imagine you bought. Okay, now Bitcoin's at 86K. Actually higher than that, 88K, right? Imagine. This is why, guys, you should simply DCA into Bitcoin. Okay, simply just DCA. Use that strategy, DCA into Bitcoin. And obviously, guys, retail interest, okay, is spiking. I talked about this from my past few videos, right? A lot of people out there that are not, in the Bitcoin space, are not in the crypto space, they are now talking about Bitcoin and crypto. Should I buy Bitcoin? When should I buy Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to drop? Right? Is it going to drop back down? All these type of questions, right? Even people personally that I know in my life are asking me all these types of questions. So I just knew that retail interest is spiking, right? It's coming back. Okay, which means one thing, guys, the bull run is officially here. And it is here, right? We know we are in fact in a bull market. A lot of news articles are obviously talking about Bitcoin reaching new highs. FOMO, guys, it's coming. Okay, it's already here. Okay, FOMO is already happening, which is a huge signal telling us that the bull market is here. Of course, right? We are so back, guys. Okay, so that's when everyone will start to buy into Bitcoin. Okay, when Bitcoin is at new highs, that's when a lot of people will come in, okay, and buy, right? For some reasons, that's just how humans operate, right? They like to buy in when everyone's talking about it, when it's pumping, right? It's in the greens, okay, when we're in a bull run. That's when a lot of people like to buy in. It's called FOMO. Not a lot of people out there have the courage to buy when it's crashing, when it's in the reds, it's quiet, not everyone's really talking about it. That's when you're meant to buy in. But a lot of people like to do the complete opposite, and that's what we are in fact seeing right now for Bitcoin and crypto. People are FOMOing right now. They really, really are, guys. Okay, so this is a huge signal that the bull run is officially here. Okay, and guys, Bitcoin is less than 15% away from $100,000. Let that sink in. It's less than 15% away from $100,000. I am here to tell you guys that 100K Bitcoin is coming. Okay, it is coming. Be excited for it. Okay, because very, very soon, right? I truly do believe that Bitcoin reaching 100K is going to happen very, very soon, right? Sooner than you guys think. Early, okay, December. I truly do believe we're going to see Bitcoin at 100K, maybe even end of this month of November, like what someone just mentioned, right? So understand, okay, 100K Bitcoin, the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for is right around the corner. It's about to happen, okay? So get ready for that, okay? But yes, guys, getting into these charts, starting off with this one, this chart is just clearly showing you guys that the target for Bitcoin is 100K. Bitcoin right now, okay, is above $80,000, looking pretty good, looking very, very strong right now, okay? The dominance for Bitcoin is looking amazing as well. Okay, a lot of money is obviously pouring into Bitcoin. You know, new whales are obviously buying, especially BlackRock. Okay, we know BlackRock have been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin ever since the ETFs have been approved. And yeah, it's going to lead Bitcoin to $100,000 for the first time ever in history, right? USD wise, in other currencies, we have already seen Bitcoin at 100K. Okay, but for USD, okay, it's going to happen very, very soon. So get ready for that, guys. Okay, 100K Bitcoin, okay, is going to be coming. So be prepared for that. But guys, look at this. This is very, very bullish. Okay, Bitcoin, okay, just one of its highest, okay, weekly closes ever. 2 years ago today, Bitcoin hit its bear market low and was trading at around $16,000. Since then, Bitcoin is up over 400%, 411%. So you guys can just clearly see in this chart, okay, we did in fact see a weekly close, its highest weekly close. Okay, so this is a very, very huge signal that the bull market is starting, obviously, right? You guys can clearly see that. I told you guys, once we see a clear breakout from this resistance line, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching record highs, and that's exactly what it's doing right now. Okay, so this is very, very bullish, guys. What we are in fact seeing right now for Bitcoin is very, very bullish. Okay, so that is that. But yes, Bitcoin bull market price target is $280,000. As I told you guys many times. Okay, Bitcoin, okay, 280, 300K and beyond, all that's going to happen. Okay, sometime next year, 2025 especially, right? 2025, we're going to see Bitcoin, okay, reaching record highs. So I hope you guys are prepared for that, okay? Because this is just the beginning, guys. Understand that. What we are in fact seeing Bitcoin right now doing, right, reaching new highs of 89K, and it's going to go, this is just the beginning, right? We haven't seen anything yet, guys. So get ready because it's about to go more crazy. Okay, so get ready for that. But yes, Bitcoin, okay, reaching $250,000. What Bitcoin did back in 2020 and of course throughout 2021, right? We had that COVID crash, okay, and then after that, Bitcoin just skyrocketed to a new high of $69,000, right? We all remember that, okay? The 2021 bull run was fantastic, okay? And this time around for this bull market, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching $250,000. I really do believe, guys, 250K is for sure going to happen. So get ready for that. And it could potentially even go way higher than 250, 280, right? 300K beyond is for sure possible as well. So keep that in mind. Okay, so that's that. But guys, look at this. I want to show you guys this because this is very, very interesting. So we know, guys, gold right now, the market cap of gold, it's its highest. Okay, you guys can clearly see that, right? 18 trillion for gold. It's at number one. Right behind it is Nvidia, Apple, okay, and Bitcoin right now is at number 9. Okay, we know Bitcoin will flip gold. okay, by market cap in the future. And when Bitcoin, okay, reaches, okay, $910,000, right, that's gonna be, okay, the market cap of gold, right? That's when pretty much Bitcoin will flip gold. So if Bitcoin reaches the market cap of gold, one Bitcoin will be worth around $910,000. So just below $1 million, right? And we know, guys, okay, that Bitcoin is a digital asset that's going to be worth, you know, $1 million and beyond, right? In the future, long term. Many people, okay, that aren't fact in the Bitcoin space, like for example, Cathie Wood, Michael Saylor himself, they have said many times by the year 2030 and beyond, we're going to see Bitcoin at $1 million. So understand, guys, in less than, a decade from now, we're going to see Bitcoin flipped gold by market cap. Just think about that. It will easily happen, guys. And all these other companies, right, like Apple and Nvidia, right? So get ready for that. And speaking about flipping, look at this, guys. Today, okay, Bitcoin flipped silver, right? So Bitcoin just flipped silver's market cap and gold is next, right? So you guys can see Bitcoin is now number 8 and silver's at number 9. This is obviously, very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Okay, very, very bullish. And soon enough, right, Bitcoin is going to flip all these other companies and eventually gold easily, right? Because we know, guys, Bitcoin is going to be reaching $1 million and beyond in the next decade easily, right? Over $1 million in the next decade for sure. So Bitcoin, if you really think about it, will easily flip gold by market cap very, very soon. So that's going to be a very, very exciting time, right? It will be. So get ready for that, you guys, because Bitcoin just flipped silver. Okay, and soon enough, it's going to flip all these other companies, okay, including gold. So get ready for that. But guys, Market Saylor is continuing to buy, right? Market strategy, okay, they are in fact accumulating, and you actually can see, okay, they acquired 27.2 thousand Bitcoins, which is roughly like $2 billion for 74,400 per Bitcoin. Okay, and now, okay, market strategy, they hodl, right, 279,420 Bitcoins, almost 280,000 Bitcoins, guys, which is insane. Okay, they are continuing to buy. Okay, and retail investors, right, you guys should be buying as well. We should be buying as well, guys. Okay, just like what these guys are doing, like what BlackRock, what they are doing, right? They are obviously buying. Okay, we should be doing the exact same thing. Okay, so understand, even though Bitcoin is at a record high right now, understand, right? Do this for long term. Bitcoin's going to be worth millions of dollars one day. Okay, so understand, do this for long term, guys. Okay, personally, I'm still buying. I'm still going to be buying when Bitcoin is at 100K, when it's at 150, 200K, 250, 280, 300K and beyond. I'm still going to be buying, guys, right? I'm treating Bitcoin like it's my own savings account. Like I really, really am. Bitcoin is the best asset to invest in for long term. It has store value, okay? And of course, right, it's a hedge against inflation. Long term, Bitcoin is always reaching highs. Every single time we enter a new bull cycle, it always reaches new highs every single time. Okay, so understand, guys, Bitcoin is a great investment to make, right, for long term especially. So hold your Bitcoins, guys, right? Hold your Bitcoins before these guys buy it, or BlackRock, right? They want your Bitcoins, trust me. So hold your Bitcoins. There's not enough Bitcoins to go around for everyone, right? So hold your Bitcoins and understand Bitcoin is the most scarce asset out there, right? It really, really is. But guys, look at this, okay? Australian Bitcoin ETF continues to buy Bitcoin every day. And this is obviously very, very bullish. You can clearly see they are buying over 100 Bitcoin pretty much every single day, right? Which is absolutely insane. Okay, so I do live in Australia. If you guys don't know, I'm not from the US or anything like that. So this is, very, very bullish for Australia, right? Australian Bitcoin ETF. It's very, very bullish. And this is, absolutely amazing to see. Like every day they're buying over 100 Bitcoin, which is bullish, right? This is obviously very, very bullish. Now, guys, Da Vinci Jeremy, okay, the person that told everyone to buy Bitcoin, okay, at $1 back in 2013 or 2011, sorry, right? He just posted this, okay, saying by 2040, having one Bitcoin will mean you are very wealthy. Okay, now I have talked about this topic for the longest time now, why you guys should accumulate one full Bitcoin. Okay, why you guys should buy one full Bitcoin. Okay, and you know, the reason why I want you guys to own one full Bitcoin, to accumulate and hold one full Bitcoin, is because this one full Bitcoin, you know, you will become very, very wealthy in the future, right? Long term. Okay, you will have wealth, you will obviously become a millionaire, right? And you will have some type of freedom, financial freedom. You really will, guys, because one Bitcoin will be worth millions of dollars, guys. Millions, not just 1 million, millions. We know that, guys. As I told you guys, you got to think of Bitcoin as a digital asset that's going to be worth millions of dollars one day. And it will be. Mark my words. So understand, guys, try your best to accumulate one full Bitcoin. It may sound crazy, but if you can't, I don't know, get to 0.1 Bitcoin, get to 1% of a Bitcoin. That's a big deal, right? 0.2 of a Bitcoin, that's a big deal. 0.1 even, 10% of a Bitcoin is a big deal. 0.5, half of a Bitcoin, that's a big deal too, right? Just buy, guys, right? Just put, I don't know, $10, $20, $50, $100 into Bitcoin. Whatever you can, just put it into Bitcoin. It's better than zero, okay? Understand that. It's better than zero, guys. So if you have any money, any spare money, just put into Bitcoin. Like I said, I don't care if it's $10, $20, $50, $100, $500, $1,000. I don't care. Just put into Bitcoin, leave it in there, and don't touch it. But remember, continue to buy, right? Do this for a lifetime, guys. Okay, so that is that. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I guess I'll do like a little Q&A before I end today's stream. And by the way, guys, if you guys haven't seen today's video, you should definitely check it out. I did upload a video today a couple of hours ago. I uploaded two actually. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, please check them out. I really would appreciate that. And by the way, if you guys haven't seen my short that I uploaded about an hour ago, you should definitely check it out if you guys haven't already. I really would appreciate that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them before I end today's stream. Bitcoin. I don't know why TradingView says Bitcoin's at 88K and CoinMarketCap is saying Bitcoin's at just below $89,000. It's kind of weird. But yeah, Bitcoin today is up 9% for the past week. It's up 30%. Past month, it's up 41%. Past year, it's up 140%, which is insane. And yeah, you guys can clearly see it's at a new high, right? This would have been a great time to simply DCA, guys, into Bitcoin, right? Because we saw Bitcoin stuck at like 60K, 63, 64, 65, and sometimes it'll go below $60,000. Like it will go to like 53, 52. Would have been a great time to DCA, guys, and now Bitcoin's just skyrocketing. Why? It's waiting for no one. Look at it, right? It's insane. You should be getting more views, brother. Good to know you're from Australia. Yeah, I really do appreciate you. But yeah, a lot of you guys don't know that I'm from Australia, but yes, I am in Australia. Okay, I'm not in America or anything like that. I know most of you guys are probably from America. Okay, I get a lot of my viewers from America, which is amazing to see, right? But yeah, personally, I am in Australia, right? So that is that. Born and raised. But yeah, Bitcoin looking amazing. Doge is looking amazing as well. It's about to reach back up to $1 easily. I think that's going to happen for a $1 Dogecoin. I think very, very soon we're going to see Doge pumping and eventually reaching $1. I feel like a lot of these memes will skyrocket. A lot of meme coins will pump past 24 hours. We are already seeing a lot of memes past like week. A lot of memes are up 50%. Right, look at it. Okay, Shiba Inu over 50%, Pepe 50%, Dog with Hat over 50%, Bonk 43%, Floki, right, 53%, Popcat, okay, has been pumping as well. This meme coin, 35%, Brett 65%. A lot of memes are pumping, guys. And trust me, it's gonna get crazier from here. Okay, a lot of these meme coins will skyrocket, and you know, meme season is right around the corner. Okay, so get ready for that. So John says here, any idea which country is buying Bitcoin? Okay, there's a rumor a big country is buying. I'm not quite sure if there's any rumors about a country buying Bitcoin as of right now. Let me have a look. So we already know, guys, that El Salvador is buying. I'm pretty sure we all know that El Salvador, they are in fact buying Bitcoin. I mean, they've been buying Bitcoin for the past few years, right? We know that. But as of right now, I'm not quite sure what country is buying up Bitcoin. The US government is buying up. So it seems like the US government, okay, they're buying Bitcoin. Okay, and other countries, right, seems like they will do the same thing. Okay, we know El Salvador, okay, especially they've been buying, okay, Bitcoin, right? But yeah, US government, right, it seems like they want some Bitcoin as well. And of course, if Donald Trump is obviously president, then that's just a clear signal that, you know, they're gonna do some things with Bitcoin, right? They're gonna do some damage for Bitcoin. Okay, so seems like the US government is buying up Bitcoin. Seems like they want some Bitcoin, right? So we will see, guys. But obviously, someone out there is buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, okay? Because Bitcoin has been pumping for this week alone, obviously, right? Obviously, whales, they are clearly buying, okay? Clearly, right? So that is why, guys, we are seeing Bitcoin skyrocketing to new highs for this week alone. It's been crazy, you know. This week alone has been like insane for Bitcoin, right? It truly has been, guys. Okay, Bitcoin has just been reaching highs left and right? It's just been going up like crazy. And yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we see Bitcoin reaching like $90,000 like by tonight. I would not be surprised, to be honest with you guys. And yeah, it is not too far from reaching 90K. You can clearly see that, right? Like, if we don't see Bitcoin reaching 90K by tonight, then most likely it will happen tomorrow. Sometime tomorrow, most likely. So that is that. But guys, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated, of course, on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin and crypto. But expect Bitcoin to reach 90K and eventually 100K. Right? It's gonna be in the six figs very very soon. So be prepared for that because it is coming. Okay, 100K Bitcoin is coming, and I truly want you guys to, you know, be prepared for that. Okay, like I said many times, this is the moment that we all in fact have been waiting for, a 100K Bitcoin, and it is coming. Okay, so get ready for that, you guys. On that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you, like I said, okay, if you guys haven't seen any of my previous videos that I've uploaded today, okay, I've uploaded 2 videos. Please check them out. Okay, show your support. I really would appreciate that. And if you guys have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Every single day, literally every single day, I upload videos giving us updates, what's happening with Bitcoin, what will happen with Bitcoin, okay, since we are in fact, in a bull market. And I always talk about what's happening around the crypto space, right? What is happening? So if you guys are in fact Bitcoiners, you guys are Bitcoin holders, you guys are Bitcoin investors, and in general, if you guys are crypto investors and traders even, right? If you guys are just generally in the crypto space, please consider subscribing. I really would appreciate that, right? So that is that. And by the way, if you guys haven't followed me in any of my social medias, it's always linked in the description down below. Follow me on X, follow me on Instagram. Okay, I am mostly active on Instagram, so if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, please follow me. I really would appreciate that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys all in my next one. Have a good one, guys.